Michaelston, United Kingdom.
We are the first rural community-built 1 gigabit per second upload and download fibre network to the property in Wales. The project was built by the community. We use contractors for the main trenching, for digging the arterial ducting around the community, but apart from that, it was volunteers that did everything else. They were laying ducts, blowing fibre, fusion and splicing of fibre, fitting out the hub for the core server, and really any other tasks that were involved. We have a company called Hub Network Services, who are the biggest data centre in Europe, just happen to be 5 kilometres away from us. They've delivered a 10 gigabit fibre feed for our core server. The cost of the whole network has been around £300,000. This was funded by the Welsh Government grant on ABC, that's Access Broadband Cymru grants for the residential properties, and ultra-fast connectivity vouchers for businesses. Because this isn't paid until connections are live, we needed to raise some capital for the initial startup to buy materials, services, and all our equipment. This was £150,000, which was raised from local investors. Given that the average speed of the network in the village and the community ranged between 0.5 megabits per second and 5 megabits per second, to then go to 1,000 megabits per second, I think it's quite plain to see that it's obviously made a huge difference.